Are you setting up your cable or satellite box with your TCL TV? Let's get started. First, connect one end of an HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on your cable or satellite box. Next, connect the other end of the HDMI cable into an HDMI port on your TCL TV. Then turn on both your TV and the cable or satellite box. Using your TV remote, press the input or source button and select the HDMI port you connected the box to. You should now see your cable or satellite service on the TV screen. If you don't see a picture, double-check that the HDMI cable is firmly connected and try another HDMI port if needed. For the best experience, we recommend using HDMI for both video and audio. Avoid older connections like composite cables whenever possible. If you wish to use the remote that came with your cable box, please reach out to your cable provider for remote control codes. That's it! Your TCL TV is now ready to enjoy with your cable or satellite box. Please contact our support team for troubleshooting assistance.